Hello, good morning, dear student. In previous class, we will discuss general motor fitness, Barrow 3-item motor ability. Today, we will discuss measurement of cardiovascular fitness. There are two types of tests in cardiovascular fitness. The first one is Harvard step test. Another one is Rockport test. Before proceeding to various tests of cardiovascular fitness, it will be essential for us to understand the meaning of cardiovascular fitness. In fact, cardiovascular fitness is the ability to the heart and lungs to supply oxygen rich blood to the working muscles tissues and the ability of the muscles to use that oxygen to produce energy for movement. This type of fitness is required to sustain physical activity, or it can be said that cardiovascular fitness is essential for us to perform aerobic activity. Cardiovascular fitness means heart and lungs supply oxygen. Now, Harvard test. The first test is Harvard Steps test. Harvard Steps test is a cardiovascular fitness test. It is also called aerobic fitness test. It was developed by Browns and others in 1943. It is used to measure the cardiovascular fitness or aerobic fitness by checking the recovery rate. Requirement of equipment: a gym bench or box of 20-inch height for men and 16-inch for women, and a stopwatch or cadence step. What is the procedure? The athlete stand in front of the bench or box. On the command go, the athlete steps up and down on the bench or box at a rate of 30 steps per minute, 1 second up, 1 second down for 5 minutes. In calculate 5 minutes into 60 seconds, it means 300 seconds. That's why 150 steps are there. Stopwatch is switched on simultaneously at the start of the stepping. After that, the athlete sit down immediately after completion of the test. Example: after 5 minutes, the total number of heartbeat are count between 1 to 1.5 minutes after complete of the last step. The heartbeats are count for 30-second period. Again, the heartbeat are note for 30 seconds after the finishing of the test. After that, for the third time of heartbeat are noted after the 3 minutes of complete of the test for the 30-second period. The some food must start the step of each time and an erect posture must be assumed on the bench. The short form fitness fitness index. The formula: 100 into test duration in second, 5.5 into pulse count between 1 and 1.5 minutes. That is the formula. Example, for example, if the total test duration was 300 seconds and the number of heartbeat between 1 to 1.5 minutes was 90, between 2 to 2.5 minutes was 80, and between 3 to 3.5 minutes was 70, then the fitness index score will be, as per formula, 100 into test duration in second 300 divided by 2 into total pulse rate. First one is 90, second one and another second and one is 80, third one is 70, equal to 240. In the score is 62.5. There is a table in your book, you can see the rating of heart rate. Next, this is the test. You can see the picture. This is the test of Harvard test. This is the formula. Duration of exercise in second into 100 divided by 2 into sum of pulse count in recovery. This is the formula of Harvard test. Then advantage and disadvantage. Requirement of minimum equipment are required for conducting this test. It requires minimum cost. It is simple to set up and conduct. Then disadvantage, they are different in biomechanical characteristics among individuals, but the height of the box or bench remains same for tall individuals and short individuals. It will be easy for tall individual and difficult for short individuals. The same difference can be seen in case of body weight. Those individuals who are overweight, it will be difficult for them. So, it is not implemented equally to all individuals. This is the disadvantage of Harvard test. The next test is Rockford 1 mile test. Rockford fitness test. Rockford 1 mile test is also known as Rockford fitness walking test. This test is suitable for sedentary individual. The objective of the test is to check or observe the development of the individual's VO2 max. It means maximum volume of oxygen. VO2 max means maximum volume of oxygen. Requirement, equipment requirement, 400-meter track, stopwatch, and weighting scale. What is the procedure of Rockford 1 mile test? While conducting or administering this test, it should be a blindness day. First of all, take the body weight of the individual on a perfect weight measure. The weight should be taken with maximum clothes on body of the individual. Then mark the starting point on a 400-meter track. 1 mile is equal to 1609 meter. The individual has to run the distance of 1 mile. So, record the time of 1 mile with a stopwatch. Immediately after finishing the 1 mile walk or run, record the heart rate beat per minute with manual or monitor method. The monitor or ECG or EEG can be used to get a more accurate heart rate. The calculation of VO2 max. The calculation of VO2 max can be determined with the help of this formula: 132.853 minus 0.0769 into body weight minus 0.0377 into age plus 6.135 into gender. Gender means male means 1, female means 0. Then minus 3.2649 into time minus 0.1565 into heart rate. I can show you the formula of Rockford 1 mile test. Body weight is in pound. Gender male means score 1 and female means score 0. Time is in minute and hundredth of minute. Heart rate is in beat per minute. Age in year. After calculating the VO2 max, the comparison of the individual can be done with the result of previous tests. It is accepted that with appropriate training between each test, the analysis would surely indicate the improvement of the individual. This is not important question in exam. In Harvard test, very important test, the advantage of Rockford 1 mile test. Minimum equipment are required. It is simple to set up and conduct. It can be conducted by the athlete. This test can be conducted more than one individual at a time. A disadvantage of specific facilities are required for this test. Thank you. Have a good day. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you, student. Have a good day.